Hello, this is my submission for CS50 Web Project 1 where I built a Wiki application. I'll start by showing how the encyclopedia displays an entry. Here's an example entry titled Python. If I visit wiki/python page, you can see the content, and if I try to access a page that doesn't exist, like React, I get an error message indicating that the React content doesn't exist, but you can create it here. Next, on the home page, the index displays all the encyclopedia entries. Each entry is clickable, and if I click on one, for example HTML, it takes me directly to the corresponding page. Now let's explore the search functionality. I can type CSS here, and if I press enter, it takes me to the CSS entry page. If I search for something that doesn't exactly match an entry like pi, and press enter, I'm redirected to a search results page. Here I see all entries containing pi as a substring, and if I click on any of these results to view the entry, I can view the entry. Now let's move on to creating a new page, clicking the create new page in the sidebar. It takes me to a form where I can enter a title and the content in Markdown. I'll create a new entry called JavaScript, and after entering some content and saving, it saves the new page and takes me to the JavaScript entry. However, if I try to create another entry with the same title, JavaScript, and enter some content in the description, after clicking the create button, I get an error message indicating that the entry with the title JavaScript already exists. Now, on each entry page, there's an option to edit the content. Let me show you by clicking the edit button for the Python entry. It takes me to a form when the content is pre-filled, and I'll make a quick change here. Is my favorite language. And after saving, I'm redirected back to the Python entry, and the updated content is displayed. The application also has a feature to view a random page by clicking the random page in the sidebar. I'm taken to a random entry like GitHub, Markdown, Django, etc. Finally, all the content in each entry is written in Markdown but displayed in HTML. For instance, in the Python entry, you can see hidden and bold text, but if I click the edit button, you can see the Markdown syntax. That's all for Project 1 Wiki. Thank you.